How to change a reason in McDonald's app. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can change your reason. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your McDonald's app from your device. Make sure that you are logged into your McDonald's account, then tap onto More icon on your bottom right. Once you do so, you will land onto this page. Now tap onto Reason and Language at the last option. In here, tap on Country. Here you will see a list of all the countries that you can choose from. If you would like to choose any one of them, tap onto it. And just like so, you can see that the country has been changed from Hungary to Belgium. To confirm your changes, just tap on Confirm at the bottom of the page. Then just like so, you will be good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more helpful contents like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.